Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can connect a payment method to your Shopify. So let's get started. First, first we have to log in or sign up our account in our Shopify. So first, first you have to sign up or log in account in Shopify. Then you have to open your settings option. So it is important to connect the payment method because if your buyer purchase anything and it's fail to purchase, he will not come back again. So let's get started with adding the payments method. You have to click on settings and come to payments, and then you have to click on this, choose a provider. Whichever payment method you accept, you can just click here and you can just select it. Like example, like you want to add Apple Pay, you can click on Apple Pay. These are the providers that accept Apple Pay in your site on Shopify. You can, if you want a Visa card acceptor, you can just click on this. All Visa cards are available. If you want to, if you want to do JCB, if you want to choose JCB, you can choose JCB. You can see JCBs are this much available. If you want to add like this, you can add this also. ePay accepts. If you want to add ePay or if you want to add anything, you have to have a business account at at their site. Example like Stripe. If I want to connect in Stripe, I will click this. I will click on Stripe and it's saying connect with Shopify. So it will redirect to my account. Then I have to do sign in here by my Gmail account. If you don't have Gmail account, you have to sign up and give your details, and then they will add their payment method in your online store. So that's how you can add a payment method in your Shopify account. So if you find this video helpful, then please like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.